The price of greed. There was a sailor who loved exploring new lands. One day, he came upon a beautiful island. This island had delicious fruits. The sailor enjoyed himself, but his greed for more made him sail away. Now he reached a land which was full of good food and wine. The sailor spent some days there, but again set off to explore newer regions. Soon, he came to a land of fairies and precious stones. The fairies treated him like an emperor, fulfilling his every wish. But the sailor's curiosity was not satisfied, and he again set off to find a new land. This time the sailor came to hell. He saw a man in iron chains there. The sailor, having only gone through good times, thought the chains to be of gold. He unfastened the chains and wore them himself. But as soon as he did that, he realized he was in hell and was to suffer forever. He repented on his greediness. Being good. A king's chief priest was respected by everyone. The priest thought, "Am I respected because of my birth, or my knowledge, or my goodness?" He decided to find out. He went to the royal coin maker and picked up a coin. The coin maker did not say anything. The priest repeated this thrice. The third time the coin maker shouted, "You are a thief, and all the while I thought you were a good man." The coin maker decided to take the priest to the king. On the way, the priest saw a snake charmer. The priest warned the snake charmer to be careful of snakes, but the snake charmer retorted, "The nature of snakes is not hidden from anyone. We need to be safe from people like you, who appear to be good but are evil from inside." The priest realized that being good was admired the most. He told the king everything. The king released him and he resumed his duty. The earth falling apart. Once a hare was resting under a tree when a thought occurred to him. What if the earth gets destroyed? What would happen to me? Suddenly, a big fruit fell from the tree with a thud. The hare thought, "The earth is falling apart." Without looking back, he started running out of fear. Another hare saw him running in fear and asked, "Why are you scared and running?" The hare replied, "The earth is falling apart." The other hares also started running. After that, many other animals joined in. A wise lion saw them running. He asked them what the matter was. All of them replied, "The earth is falling apart." The lion asked, who saw it falling apart. The hare came forward and told him everything. The lion went to the place where the hare had rested and found a big fruit on the ground. He understood everything and told the animals the reality. The animals were embarrassed about their foolishness. The clever monkey. A large number of monkeys lived together with their leader. One day, it was very hot and the monkeys were very thirsty. They found a lake which was very beautiful. The monkeys were very happy and decided to jump into the lake. But before they could do so, their leader stopped them. He warned them, "Wait, do not hurry. This place is new. We must be careful and check out the area." Saying so, the monkey leader looked around and found that there were many footprints on the sand. All these footprints led to the lake, but none came back from it. The monkey leader became suspicious and realized that a demon must be dwelling in the lake. So it was not wise to dive into the lake. He told the other monkeys to drink water by using bamboos as straws and sucking water from the lake. All the monkeys easily quenched their thirst by using bamboos. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.